Today we are doing KodeKloud Engineer Kubernetes level 3, task number 9, deploy Iron Gallery app on Kubernetes. Let's start. Okay, first we need to create a namespace, then create a deployment. All the details about deployment are here. Resource limits, volume mount, first volume mount, second volume mount, empty dir. Then second deployment, all the details, environment variables, volume mount, and then create a service. And second service, okay, we need to create 2 deployments and 2 services. So let's start first. Let's create a namespace. Do it like this, then create a deployment. For Iron Gallery under the same namespace we created. So we do it like this. Replicas 1, image should be this, and labels and everything else we will edit. Let's try run this. Let's call this deploy 1.yaml, and now let's open it in via editor. Okay, labels should be run Iron Gallery. Run Iron Gallery. Let's edit this everywhere. So selector should be run Iron Gallery. Container should be named like this, so image is correct. Name should be this. So resource limits. Memory 100, CPU 50 milli. Volume mount, second volume mount, first volume mount. Let's refresh our memory, so they should be of type empty dir. Okay. So first mount path should be this. Its name should be config. Second one is images. And then we specify this under volumes, which is in line with containers. So first one is called config, second one should be called images. Then let's leave this limit to 500. Did we miss something? Guess not. Let's save this, print it. So label run iron gallery, correct name, correct namespaces, correct. Container image is correct, name of the container is correct, limit, and these volume mounts. Yeah, let's create this. Okay, it's running. Let's create another deployment. So let's copy the first deploy YAML and edit it. So for the second one, label should be db equals Maria db. Name should be Iron DB deployment DevOps. Namespace is okay. Label. Let's change label here. container name, container image. Okay. Resources are not specified here, so we can delete this. Let's specify environment variables. They should be so they should be something complex. So let's put some random string. This value something random and MySQL user value any custom user. Let's call it John. Volume mount name should be called DB and path should be this. Okay. Second one we can delete. This is also empty there. Okay, I think this is all good. Let's check it. So labels correct. Replica count 1. Name is correct. Namespace is correct. Container name is correct. Image correct. Environment variables. Yes, let's create this. Still creating. Okay, it's running. And lastly, we need to create 2 services. Okay, we can do it like this. kubectl expose deployment. The name of the first deployment, which is this, under this namespace. This will be automatically added with this expose command. So this selector, also protocol target port type should be cluster IP, which is default. Okay, name of the service should be this. And port needs to be 3306. Let's hit enter. Yes, this looks correct. Let's create another one. Second services for the gallery. I did a mistake. I created this reversely. So first service is actually for database, sorry. So let's delete this. So first command, everything's correct except we need to specify this name of the second deployment, not the first one. So it's IronDB. Like this. Let's see the details. Yeah. So selector is correct. So this points to the database deployment. This is also okay. Yeah. So let's create a second one. QCTL expose deployment. Now we need to expose the first deployment, which is the actual app. Namespace is this. Name should be this. Type node port, in this case port 80, and we will edit node port afterwards. So let's hit enter, get service. Now we can do kubectl edit service, this under this namespace. And we need to edit node port. Okay, it looks good now. We don't need to make connection front end now with the installation pages coming up. It should be enough. Okay, let's check this button. looks good. Let's check. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.